What if I told you that a new solar panel coating can do something that sounds almost impossible? It can keep solar panels clean without using a single drop of cleaning water, and at the same time, it can literally pull water out of the air. It sounds like science fiction. After all, one of the biggest problems facing solar energy today isn't actually the solar panels themselves, it's dust. In many parts of the world, especially deserts and arid regions, dust can reduce solar panel output by more than 30% if left untreated. The solution is usually simple but expensive: wash the panels regularly. But that creates another problem. The places with the most sunshine are often the places with the least water. Now a team of researchers at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology believes they may have found an elegant solution. Their new transparent coating allows solar panels to clean themselves naturally using nothing more than changes in temperature between day and night. Even more surprisingly, the same coating can harvest moisture from the atmosphere and produce more than twice as much condensed water as ordinary surfaces. During 6 months of outdoor testing, coated solar panels maintained significantly better performance than untreated panels while simultaneously collecting water that was later used to irrigate plants. If this technology can be scaled successfully, it could help solve two major challenges at the same time: keeping solar panels operating efficiently and providing an additional source of water in some of the driest regions on Earth. In this video, we're going to explore how this remarkable coating works, why dust is such a massive problem for solar energy, how researchers managed to make solar panels harvest water from the air, and whether this technology could eventually change the economics of solar power in deserts around the world. Stick around until the end, because the most interesting part isn't the coating itself, it's what happens when solar farms start producing both electricity and water at the same time. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. When most people think about solar power, they imagine endless rows of solar panels silently generating clean electricity under bright sunshine. But what many people don't realize is that solar panels have a surprisingly simple weakness: dust. Every day, microscopic particles settle onto panel surfaces. Over time, these particles accumulate into a thin layer that blocks sunlight from reaching the solar cells underneath. The result is lower electricity production. In regions with frequent rainfall, nature partially solves the problem. Rain washes away much of the dust before it can build up significantly. But in desert regions where some of the world's largest solar farms are being built, rain may not arrive for months. Dust accumulation becomes a constant battle. In some cases, heavily soiled panels can lose over 30% of their power output. That represents a massive loss of revenue for solar farm operators. Cleaning solar panels sounds easy: just spray them with water. But when you're dealing with solar farms containing hundreds of thousands of panels, things become much more complicated. Large solar facilities often require dedicated cleaning equipment, maintenance crews, and substantial amounts of water. In some desert installations, millions of liters of water may be consumed annually just to maintain performance. This creates an ironic situation. Many solar farms are built in water-scarce regions precisely because those locations receive abundant sunlight. The areas that need cleaning the most often have the least water available. Researchers around the world have experimented with robotic cleaners, electrostatic dust removal systems, and various hydrophobic coatings. But KAUST researchers wanted something simpler, something that could work passively without consuming energy. The solution they developed is surprisingly thin. At first glance, the coating looks almost invisible. It's a transparent nanostructured layer made from a food-grade silicone material. Because it is transparent, sunlight passes through with minimal interference. That means the coating doesn't significantly reduce the amount of light reaching the solar cells. But beneath that simple appearance lies a carefully engineered surface with three important functions. First, it repels dust and water. Second, it promotes moisture condensation during the night. Third, it helps cool the surface slightly below the surrounding air temperature. Individually, none of these features are revolutionary. The real innovation is combining all three into a single coating. To understand the coating, we need to look at what happens after sunset. During the day, solar panels absorb sunlight and become hot. At night, they begin to radiate heat into the sky. The KAUST coating enhances this cooling process. As the surface temperature drops slightly below the surrounding air temperature, moisture naturally present in the atmosphere begins to condense. Tiny droplets form across the coating. This is similar to how dew appears on grass during cool mornings. But unlike ordinary surfaces, the coating is engineered so these droplets do not remain stuck. They quickly merge together and roll across the surface. As they move, they pick up dust particles that accumulated during the day. The droplets effectively act like miniature cleaning robots. No pumps, no motors, no external water supply, just basic physics. Night after night, the cleaning effect is impressive, but the water harvesting capability might be even more interesting. Every night, the coating captures atmospheric moisture. Researchers found that coated surfaces generated more than twice as much condensed water as uncoated surfaces under similar environmental conditions. That may not sound dramatic at first. We're not talking about filling reservoirs or supplying entire cities. The quantities are relatively modest. However, even small amounts of water can be extremely valuable in arid environments. To demonstrate this, researchers used the collected water for irrigation. Plants were successfully watered using moisture harvested directly from the air. This means future solar installations might not simply generate electricity, they could potentially generate useful water as well. Laboratory tests are one thing, real-world testing is another. That's why the researchers installed coated and uncoated solar panels outdoors at KAUST for 6 months. The environment provided exactly the kind of challenging conditions where solar panels typically struggle. High temperatures, dust accumulation, limited rainfall. Over the testing period, untreated panels experienced substantial performance degradation due to dust buildup. The coated panels performed significantly better. The self-cleaning process continuously reduced dust accumulation and helped maintain higher energy production. This is important because even small improvements in efficiency can create major economic benefits when multiplied across large solar farms. For utility-scale projects, a few percentage points of additional energy production can translate into millions of dollars over the lifetime of a facility. One of the most exciting applications may be agrivoltaics. Agrivoltaics combines agriculture and solar power on the same land. Instead of choosing between growing crops and generating electricity, both activities happen simultaneously. This approach is attracting attention worldwide because it improves land use efficiency. The KAUST coating could make agrivoltaic systems even more attractive. Cleaner panels mean higher electricity generation. Additional condensed water means supplemental irrigation. Both benefits come from the same surface. In regions facing both water shortages and growing energy demands, this dual-purpose capability could become extremely valuable. Imagine future farms where solar panels not only power irrigation systems, but also contribute part of the water needed to grow crops. That idea is no longer purely theoretical. So, why this matters for the future of solar energy? The significance of this technology extends beyond cleaning. Solar power is becoming one of the dominant sources of new electricity generation worldwide. As deployment increases, operational efficiency becomes increasingly important. The easiest way to improve a solar panel is often not by making the cells more efficient. It's by ensuring they continue receiving maximum sunlight year after year. Dust remains one of the largest performance killers in many regions. A passive coating that addresses this challenge without consuming water or electricity could substantially lower operating costs. And unlike many advanced technologies that require entirely new infrastructure, this coating can potentially be applied to conventional glass surfaces using a relatively simple thermal manufacturing process. That could make adoption much easier than redesigning entire solar systems. Of course, there are still important questions. Durability is one of them. A coating may perform exceptionally well for 6 months, but solar panels are expected to remain operational for 20 to 30 years. Researchers must determine how the coating performs after years of exposure to ultraviolet radiation, sandstorms, temperature cycling, and harsh weather. Cost is another factor. Even a highly effective coating must be economically justified for large-scale deployment. Solar developers will want to know whether the increased energy production outweighs installation and maintenance costs. The research team is currently investigating these questions through longer-term testing and additional environmental studies. If the technology proves durable and cost-effective, the implications could be enormous. Future solar farms in deserts could require far less cleaning infrastructure. Water consumption could drop significantly, maintenance costs could decrease, energy production could increase, and some facilities might even generate useful quantities of water as a byproduct. Future testing confirms its long-term durability. It could become one of those deceptively simple innovations that quietly transforms an entire industry. Because in a world where both clean energy and clean water are becoming increasingly valuable, a solar panel that helps provide both might be far more important than it first appears. And that's what makes this research so exciting. Would you rather see future solar panels focus on higher efficiency or on smart technologies like self-cleaning and water harvesting? And as always, thanks for watching.